In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable app auto start on Android. So I'm going to show you the two methods. So the first method you simply need to do is to hold any app and click on app info. And once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and here you can see battery, click on that. And here you can see background restriction. Currently it is restricted. So you simply need to remove that. And here you can see that now app can be used battery in background. So this is the first method. And the second method you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone. Once you open, you simply need to go into the app management, and here you can see app list and app launch, and you can select apps from here like this. And if you want to remove any app, you can simply do from here. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.